don't smoke marijuana in the store. And we don't take no trips on LSD. And we don't burn no draft cards down on Main Street. We like living right and being free. We don't make no party out of loving. We like holding hands and pitching woo, woo. And we don't let our hair go long and shaggy like the hippies at San Francisco. I'm proud to be an Okie from Missouri.
Florian von Homberg hat ein BSA A7, Baujahr 49, das ist ein 500. Gute Fahrt. Gerber Andreas von Steffisburg hat ein Matchless bei sich. Das ist ein 500er, einzylindiger, Baujahr 1956. Wunderbar, wie die dürfen anlaufen, wir wünschen euch gute Fahrt.
Still wave old glory down at the border. White lightning still the biggest thrill of all. He still wave old glory down at the border. In Muskogee, Oklahoma, USA.
Busted flat in Baton Rouge, heading for the train, feeling nearly faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed the diesel down just before it rained, took us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana, blowing sad while Bobby sang the blues.
Rasch Robert von Homberg hat einen Kontor A4, Baujahr 38, es ist ein 58er. Er muss schauen, dass er noch ein neben aussäulet, dass er hinten noch den Motor kaputt ist. Eben, wie gesagt, nach dem Angstspeisung Autodörfer dran. Habt eine gute Fahrt.
Well, from the coal mines of Kentucky to the California sun, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Standing right beside me, Lord, through everything I've done. Every night she'd keep me from the cold. And then one day near Salinas, Lord, I let her slip away, looking for the home I hope she'll find. And I trade all my tomorrows for one single yesterday. of his body next to mine. Freedom's just another